Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So we are facing the double screen issues, the problem. So first click to start and then setting, then display, system, display, scroll down, multi-display, then advanced option, advanced display and detect hearts. Choose the frame rate 60. Okay, then and if it is showing here in the disk multi here uh, erase cursor movement between display, so please uncheck it. Okay, like this is okay. If it is check in your system, so please uncheck it and then restart your system and then please check it. Thank you.